Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and in this video I'm going to unbox and review a JETech case I purchased on Amazon for the Google Pixel 10a. JETech is a brand we've seen before here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. Let's see how their MagSafe or Pixel Snaps as compatible case works for the Google Pixel 10a. Now, packaging is pretty straightforward. It does have JETech branding, which is good. That's better than we've seen with a lot of other case brands from Amazon. This one has quite strong plastic bit there, and then inside the box we have a product warranty card. The case itself, let's see if there's anything else. Nope, that's it. So it's cardboard, it can go in the recycling. Let's see what's in here. I'm going to take the foam insert out, that's what keeps the shape on the case going, and take the case out of the plastic bag. Great, so this is a translucent case with the Pixel Snap or MagSafe similar compatible magnets in it. It has a soft TPU black side with cutouts for buttons. It has a little lanyard loop set of holes, and all the usual cutouts we'd expect. And if you haven't already, you can see our unboxing and our setup videos for the Google Pixel 10a here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. We will be covering the Google Pixel 10a more here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, so make sure you're subscribed and have that notification bell on for getting notifications of when we do more videos. Right then, I'm going to slide the Google Pixel 10a into the case. That's pretty straightforward. I went buttons first, so right side in first, because that avoids unnecessary pressing of the buttons. And as you can see, it fits quite snugly. The Google Pixel 10a industrial design has been flattened. It is slightly thicker than the Google Pixel 10a, so be aware of the fact that cases for the Google Pixel 9a won't necessarily work for the 10a. Right, at the top we do have a cutout for the microphone hole. This is one of the array of microphones, the Google Pixel 10a. On the bottom we have the cutout for the USB-C port and the microphone and speaker cutouts in the device. So that's all as expected. On the left hand side, nothing, which is fine. On the right hand side we have, starting from this side, we have the lanyard loop holes here, and then we have the volume rocker cutout or button extensions and the power button extension. Let's test those. So the power button works, no stickiness as far as I can tell. Let's try, in this case, the volume rocker. I'm going to pop the volume up, volume down, so it is responsive as you'd expect. It works fine. And in terms of gesture navigation, no issues whatsoever here. It works fine. I can swipe left to right, swipe on the edges, swipe back to go back. It works as expected. So I'm quite happy with that. In terms of overall feel, it looks good, it feels good. Let's just put it through a MagSafe test. I'm going to test it with an accessory I have here. Yep, the charger works. So all good in terms of that magnetic clip. It is relatively powerful. I have felt stronger magnets, but this is very, very good. It's similar to the one I have for my Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. So nice case, and considering it's less than £15 sterling, I think it's a good buy. As usual, I'll link in the description to where you too can purchase this case, this JETech case for the Google Pixel 10a. If you have any questions, if you'd like to know more, please do leave us a comment in the section below. We'll do our best to get back to you. And as I said earlier, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. Anyway, this is a thumbs up for me. Well done, JETech, another good value for money case for a device I've purchased. I think this will do its job well. Anyway, thanks for watching if you made it this far. Goodbye from me.